So basically, we already started with the MySQL model number 5. Okay, I'm directly teaching you how we can install our MySQL database. Okay, simply, I want to go to the search engine and I want to search inside of the browser. You can use any browser, which one you want. I am choosing a Google Chrome. Okay, I'm taking the Google Chrome. Choose your account, which one you want, and go to the your search engine and search over here MySQL. Just we need to search over here MySQL. Okay, when you're searching to the MySQL, okay, just when you're typing to the MySQL, hit enter button. Now you can see there the MySQL will be the come. We need to go to the over here first website that's called http www.mysql.com. Okay, when we are going to the mysql.com, you can see there is we have the different tab, and I want to do what? I want to download this MySQL. So I want to click over here, download MySQL. Okay, after that, I want to scroll down, and over here we have the options MySQL Community GPL download. Okay, let's click over here. Now, after that, you can see they are asking which purpose we want to download or what is the device you want to download. I want to download for install for the Windows only. MySQL install for the window. Click over here. You can see right now it's clicked. After that, we need to just select some things like the select the version. I want a latest version. I want to download for the Windows purpose because our operating system is what? Window. Okay. After that, they gave us to the MSI installer and MSI this one installer. This is for the this is for the 86 bit, 32 bit. But I want to install the last one. Which one is size? 306.5 M. Okay, I want to download the second one. Let me download. Now after that, they are asking, are you a login please or sign up? Don't do anything. Just go to the click over here. No thanks. Just start my downloaded. Okay. Now when you are clicking over here download, you can see the downloading taking to the start. Okay. Now it takes time to the download. You can see it's too much bigger. So that why purpose I want to stop a video, because if suppose that downloading process will be take, that's why I want to stop video. I can directly start when the downloading is finished. Okay. So right now what happened, it's take time to the download. So I want to just discuss the theory, which one we done. Okay, I'm going again back to my PowerPoint presentation and I want to present that. Okay, so the third module name is what? Module number 5 is what? MySQL. Okay, what is the MySQL? MySQL is the database purpose. Okay, right now what is the MySQL? The full form of a MySQL. My is there is no any full form, but SQL having the full form. What is the SQL having full form? Structure query language. Means what happened when we are putting the data inside, that data we need to manipulate. The data we need to create. We need to create a tables. We need to put it a data. We need to put the restriction for that data. And that time, which programming language we are using? That programming language is what? MySQL. MySQL is what? My is my as it is. SQL means the structure query language. MySQL is an open source. Okay, open source means what? We can download freely. Is it I pay for that? No, I didn't pay for that, right? So I didn't pay for that. And even it's a relational database management system. Relational database management system means what? If you are creating one database and inside of database, suppose we are creating to the 10 tables, that all 10 tables are, related to the share the data to the each other. That is called the relational database. And if suppose we want to manipulate, create anything, that time we need to use a SQL. SQL is what? Structure query language. For managing, for why we are using SQL, we are doing that for managing and manipulating our databases. It is the widely used for the web applications, and it is known for its reliability, scalability, and easy of the use. MySQL is the developed, distributed, and supported via Oracle cooperation. Oracle is the biggest company in the database system. They are creating the MySQL. Okay. Now many people having the questions about what is the database. Database is like your container. Inside we can store the lot of information. So we can say that database is a collection of the interrelated data. Means whatever I have the data inside of that, they are interrelated, and that is the collection. That is called what? The database. Okay, database short form we call also the DB. What is called B? DB. Okay, DB means database. After, what is the DBMS? Means database management system, where we can manage our data. Means DB, database management system, is the software. We are downloading one software and is used to create, manage, and organize our database. Means this database, if suppose I want to manage, that purpose I have the DBMS, database management system. And over here we are using RDBMS, relational database management system. Okay, this is the DBMS based on concept of a tables, also called as the relation. Okay, data is organized into the tables. Means when we are creating to the database, inside we are creating the tables. Okay, that table called as to the relation, with a rows means record and columns means a attribute. Or for example, which database we are using? MySQL. Okay, after that, what exactly the database? See over here scenario. Name, age, gender, submit. This is my HTML page, right? Means HTML bones are there. Structure. After that, you can see there is the line, everything design over here, right? That design called as the CSS. And over here, when I am putting the data like a name, age, male, female, and when I am clicking on a submit button, my data is going to the inside of the database, right? Means inside of the database means what? When I'm filling the information, that information sending to the MySQL. Okay, means that is called like this, exactly the database. You can see when suppose people are filling information, Ram Kumar, age 21 and male, and after when we are clicking to the submit button, my data will be going to the inside of my database, and inside of the database I have this table, and inside of the table we have the columns and row. So this is exactly your database. Now, how DBMS is work? This is your computer. This is your website. Inside website are sending data to the DBMS. DBMS is the database management system, where we are managing and manipulating the data. And for manipulating and manage purpose, we are using our programming language that's called MySQL. Okay, MySQL is the programming language for manipulating, manage, create database. After that, we are pulling to the data again database, and when I suppose I want back again, it will be coming to the database to the DBMS, and the DBMS to the again to the your computer. So what is the famous? Oracle, MySQL, MS SQL Server, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, this kind of. Okay, after that, what I said, we have the two types of database system. One is the relational database system, and another one is non-relational database system. Okay, the relational database means what? When I'm creating the relational database system, my all tables we have. Okay, we have in a table format. But when we are creating the non-relational database system, there we don't have the table. Means information is not storing by a table. It's a randomly are storing. Okay, so for famous purpose, MySQL is the relational database system, and the MongoDB is the non-relational database management system. Okay, right now in our syllabus we are learning to the only the relational database system. Okay, after that, what is the advantage? Cross platform means what? If suppose you have your website already created, but after that later we need to create our phone purpose. So what happened in that phone purpose? I need to create another database, right? But when the MySQL we have, we can use as it is data, whatever we are creating for the website, we can use for our phone functionality also. So we do not need to create another data. Even you can see it's a multiple language supported, even PHP, Node.js, Python, Python, C Sharp, even Java also we can use for the MySQL purpose. Means every programming language are supported our MySQL. After that, what MySQL is the software is open source. Open source means what? I can download from internet. There is no any charges. Okay. After that, what MySQL is the RDBMS means relational database management system. The MySQL database server is fast, reliable, scalable, and easy to use. MySQL server work in a client server or the embedded